Hey, what's up guys, Perplexify here, and in this video, we'll be counting down 9 times people got angry at supercars. Now, a quick disclaimer, never try anything in this video, guys. It will not end well. But you guys have to watch till the end to see some of the craziest things done to supercars. Anyways, jumping into the list, we have this guy who is not too happy about this Lamborghini and decides to throw a rock at the Lambo for being too loud. This is crazy, guys. Check this out. Like and subscribe or else the spider will appear in your bed tonight.
Keep racing. Keep racing. Keep doing it.
What a
Oh!
In this clip, we have this angry man who thinks the Lambo on the street is too loud or something, and then grabs a nearby egg and chucks it right at the Lamborghini. This one is nuts. Alright, in this clip we have some guy who keys the side of a car, but it gets even crazier when he finds out someone is recording. The guy ends up smashing the car's side mirror while he's being recorded. Let me know down in the comments what you'd do if you were the owner of this car.
Ej! Kurwa, no cię, no dziadku. Dziadku.
In this part, we have what must be some jealous person who decided to chuck something at this Ferrari that ends up exploding. Not too sure what it is, but check this out. In this clip, we have one of the angriest people on the list, and she seems to be a Karen too, because she goes absolutely insane at the drivers of this car and even the camera guy who didn't do anything. But you guys have to see the ending. It's just insane.
I don't have any idea what you're talking about, so.
You just took it on camera.
I'm just gonna tell them to get the
I don't even know what happened.
Oh! Give me that!
Don't touch my phone.
Don't you! There! I'm calling the cops! I'm calling the cops on that person!
Next up, we have some biker who decided to get in the way of a Lamborghini going pretty fast on the road, and obviously a bad idea because the driver has to hit the brakes in order to not hit this biker. But keep watching till the end because the biker doesn't get out of the way and the Lamborghini has to find a way around him. Check this out. Next, we have a Corvette who does burnouts on the street, and definitely don't try this because it looks dangerous. But this one very unhappy lady comes out and confronts a big group of people watching, and you guys have to see what she does. Number 2, we have this Lamborghini owner who decides to rev up his engine for this camera guy watching, and a really angry guy runs up to the car and starts shouting at the driver. And it gets pretty intense, but watch what happens.
Oh, stop that! You want me to break up the car? Stop that! You scared all of us. I don't care, okay? Don't disturb people. What? Little boy. Little boy. Okay, can you hear this? It's not your home, it's a straight, it's a public area, okay?
Number 1, we have this Lamborghini owner who gets extremely mad when a valet pretty much steals his car and goes on a joyride. And apparently the owner finds out and confronts him. This is crazy, guys, but keep watching till the end.
He is a failure.
Why?
Because he joyride his car or something.
Yeah.
Well, the parking's downstairs.
I know, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
If you made it this far, you are officially awesome. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and make sure to check out my other videos. See ya, guys.